actually do have 2 cleaning products that I do not like and I do not recommend, and because I've heard so many people here on YouTube talk about them. They were a total flop.
We were just 2 kids who were trying to live the teenage dream.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Jessica, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my recent or my current favorite cleaning supplies, and I have one cleaning tool that I'm going to share with you. I get a lot of questions on, so I'm going to talk about that. But all of these items are things that I have been loving recently, and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you want to see what they are, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I think I might have shown in another video, I cannot remember, so I wanted to include it, and it is this Lysol laundry sanitizer. So this claims to kill 99.9% of germs, and it says it's crisp linen scent, and it smells so good. I love the way this smells. So the directions just say to add it to your your OxyClean dispenser or something. Honestly, I think you could probably just add it in your fabric softener or your laundry soap. I don't think it really matters, but I really like this stuff. This is my 3rd bottle, I think, that I've owned of this. So I love it, and I will continue to use it. But it does not necessarily remove odors. I still love my odor cleanse for that. This just claims to kill germs, and it smells really nice. So I like to use this when I do my rags, my cleaning rags, and then also bed sheets and things like that. And gym clothes, anything. You could use it on anything, but those are just a few of the things that I use it on. So if you haven't checked this out, definitely pick a little bottle up. This is a bigger bottle. They have littler bottles, by the way. Pick a bottle up and try it out for yourself and let me know if you like it. And also, all of these things that I showed to you guys today, I will have linked below. Alright, so the next 2 things are laundry items as well, and they are by Snuggle. They are Snuggle Plus Super Fresh. Says odor fighting technology, and this one is in the scent Original, and this one is in the scent Spring Burst. I like them both. They were $3 and some change at Walmart, so I got them both because I liked the way that both of them smelled. They haven't replaced my Gain Original scent beads, but they are a nice change, and they do seem to last on our clothes and stuff. So I probably would repurchase these, and I wanted to share with you guys, in case you didn't know, that they are out in the store now. Alright, so this next thing is by Clorox, and it is just their Cleanup Cleaner Plus Bleach. So this does definitely have bleach in it. You can only use it on certain surfaces, so this wouldn't be a multi-surface cleaner, obviously. And it is very, very strong. The smell of it is really strong. So I tried to clean our half bath with this, the toilet and stuff, and it was kind of hard for me to get through it because it is so strong. But what I do like about it is, or what I do use it for rather, is the kitchen sink. So I like to spray the kitchen sink down, let it set for a few minutes, and then scrub it out. And I feel like it just disinfects it really well. And then I obviously use it on toilets and things like that in the bathroom. But I really, really, really like this stuff. I'm not 100% into non-toxic and plant-based and all of that. I still use Clorox and Lysol brands and things like that. I would never be able to change over to all natural cleaners. That's just me. I feel like bleach does a better job of... I feel like bleach just does a better job of disinfecting. I don't feel like those things can get things like your toilet and stuff like that as clean. So I definitely will continue to use products like that. Okay, and speaking of Lysol, I have these Lysol disinfecting wipes, and this one is in Brand New Day, and this one says Brighter Horizon, and it says this one is a tropical scent, and this one is a country scent. I honestly think that these smell the same. They're a little tiny bit different, but honestly, if you were to blindfold me and tell me to pick the difference, I would think that they were the same. And I just realized they have box tops on them. How cool. So we do collect box tops for Maddie's school. But anyways, yeah, they kill 99.9% of germs, and they're just a multi-purpose wipe. So I'll tell you a little bit about the places that I use these. So I like to use those for doorknobs, door handles, light switch plates, frequently touched things like that, I can grab a wipe and quickly go through and just disinfect those things. I use them mostly for if we have like a doggy accident. So we do have a puppy, and she really doesn't have a lot of accidents in the house. She's pretty much potty trained, but every once in a while, if we let her upstairs, which is all carpet, she will have a pee accident. So I will just get some paper towels, I sop it up, and then I have like a carpet cleaner that I use, and I scrub it really good, and then I'll go over it with one of those Lysol wipes just to make sure that it's good and disinfect it. And because they are white, if there was to be any urine left in the carpet, it would show up and I would know that I need to do a better job. But I really like those for that, and just like a quick grab and disinfect something really quickly. Also, I like to keep one in each of the bathrooms, and they're great to wipe down the toilet kind of in between cleaning them. So I use them for a lot of different reasons. I really like them, and I really like these scents. And like I said, they smell the same to me. I picked them both up at the same time. I didn't know. I think I ordered them like on Walmart grocery, so I didn't know that they smelled the same until I got them. So if you're between the two, I think they pretty much smell the same. But okay, so the next thing is this Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli. I'm probably saying that wrong. But it's the countertop spray. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love the Caldrea cleaning products. I love the countertop spray, and I love the linen spray. And this was a new scent for me to try. I really like the pear and agave, and I really like the red one. I forget what it's called. Oh my gosh. I don't remember what it's called, but I will try and link it for you guys below. I really love those two, and I wanted to try this one, and I love this one as well. To me, it kind of smells like, I don't want to say it smells like a man because it doesn't quite smell like men's cologne, but a little bit like men's cologne. It does smell just really fresh and clean, almost like a freshly showered man, I guess you could say. I really like this stuff. I think it does a fine job of cleaning, and I like to just wipe down my kitchen counters with it. And sometimes I will wipe down like the coffee tables and things like that, or the bathroom counters. It's not a disinfectant or anything like that. It's just like a daily cleaner. But the sea salt and neroli right here, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of bright, but that is the one that I'm trying now. And with all of their scents, they typically have like a linen spray in it, and then a dish soap or a hand soap, but I just got the countertop spray. Alright, so I actually do have two cleaning products that I recently picked up, and I had high hopes for because I've heard so many people here on YouTube talk about them, and they were a total flop for me. I hate them. In fact, I'm going to see about returning them, and I hardly ever return anything. I will either just power through it or give it to a friend, but these are so nasty that I can't even. So I'm going to show you guys what those are now. Alright, so I picked up the 7th generation disinfecting bathroom cleaner and disinfecting multi-surface cleaner. They say they're in the scent lemongrass citrus scent. And these are supposed to be disinfectants, but plant-based and natural and non-toxic and all that good stuff. And I've seen so many people talk about the 7th generation stuff. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them before, but like I said, I had high hopes. And what I really had planned on using, the bathroom cleaner obviously for the bathroom, but I had really planned on using this one, the disinfecting multi-surface cleaner, for around the dog's bowls, because I didn't want to use something toxic around their bowls. I wanted to use like a more natural disinfectant. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even power through the scent of this. I'm going to see if I can open it and smell it. To me, it smells like asphalt or tar, you know, like when they're doing the roads, they're putting fresh asphalt down on the roads. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay, I got it open. Oh my, it honestly smells horrible. It smells so bad to me that I feel like I maybe got a bad batch, but I don't feel like that could be possible, seeing as how they both smell exactly the same. The bathroom cleaner and this smell exactly the same. Gross. I can't use them. Like I said, I'm going to see if I can return them, but if you trust my opinion, I do not recommend wasting your money on these. If you like them, maybe we just have a different taste and fragrance, I suppose, and everyone does. But I don't like them at all. I think they stink. Let me know in the comments below if you've smelled them before, if you agree with me or if you disagree with me. I'm curious to see like what the majority of the vote is, if a lot of people like these cleaners in particular, or if a lot of people don't like them. Okay, last but not least is my mop and bucket, and I use this one by Cedar, and I'll show you the mop itself. So this is the mop itself, and this is a little removable washing pad, so you just snap this off and wash it in between and then snap it on to clean. And then you put the mop, you dip it into your mopping solution, and then you put it in here, and there's a little pedal right here that you pump, and it spins out the mop, gets all the excess water out, and then you can go ahead and mop your floor. And I love this mop. I highly recommend it to everyone. I think you will love it. I had I think it's called the Hurricane 360 one, the blue one that I used to use, and I love that one as well. I had that for a very, very long time, and I really wanted to try this one, and I started to clean a friend's house, and so I wanted to have my own mop for her house. So I went ahead and just bought this one for me and gave that one to her, and it's the same exact concept. It's basically just a different brand, but I love them both. They're great. They are a game changer, and I usually will use just hot water and pine salt in them to clean my hardwoods, but I highly, highly, highly recommend a mop like this if you don't already have one. It is great. Alright guys, that was my current cleaning favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, everything will be linked below, and if you want me to do like an ultimate cleaning favorites video, or like my staple items that I couldn't live without, definitely let me know. I would love to do that video for you, because I do have several cleaning products that I repurchase and that I really love and I will use forever. So if you want to see that video, definitely let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody